Is there any good HTML mode for Emacs? I love Emacs, and I want to do my web programming work in it, but I can't find a way to get it to edit HTML properly. I mean, it's seriously awful. It will do HTML fine, but not PHP, JavaScript, etc. I tried getting HTML helper mode. I downloaded it, put it in /user/local/share/emacs/site-lisp, and added it to my Emacs file. Copied and pasted from some site, I don't know, Lisp. It just doesn't highlight anything at all. I tried downloading a whole bunch of modes and using some other mode to string them together, to no avail. Emacs is so great in every other way, but can't it do the simple task of editing web pages? I mean, it's a pretty standard thing to do for editors these days. So, does anyone know how to do this?
Have you checked out Emacs Wiki HTML page? NXHTML in particular looks useful.
I had the same problem as you, so I decided to write web mode. WebMode.L is a major mode for Emacs that is intended for editing mixed web templates, HTML with Java/JSP, PHP, CSS, JavaScript. It doesn't rely on any other mode. It does syntax highlight et indenting according to the code block type. I've written a little how to page on About. WebMode.L is a major mode for editing web templates, HTML with PHP, Java/JSP, JavaScripts, CSS styles. WebMode.L will never be a full-featured PHP or JS mode. We don't encourage multi-lines blocks of code in templates. Native features. Smart indentation, according to the context, HTML, PHP, Java/JSP, JavaScript or CSS. Code navigation, CCCN, between opening and closing HTML tag or between PHP controls and GT, if, else, and if, for, infer. HTML tag auto-closing, after. Syntax highlighting, according to the type of block. Snippet insertion, CCCI, auto-indented, aware of text selection. Auto-inserts, X. Question mark and GT, after, and LT, question mark PHP.
Give multi-web mode a try. It's a minor mode designed with web editing in mind. It selects the appropriate major when the point moves around.
I've been dissatisfied with the available modes, but I have found happiness recently using plain old HTML mode augmented with YaSnippet and tidy.l. As the other answers have mentioned, NXHTML mode is useful if you are writing XHTML. If you are wanting to get highlighted PHP and JavaScript, you might want to look at mode, which will allow you to run multiple major modes at once. I've never used it, so I don't know who it handles conflicting key bindings, etc. So you'll have to feel your way around there.